Adoma, welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Honda, please help me subscribe to the channel, click that bell notification so every time I have new video you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2013 Honda Pilot 3.5 here. So right now the current check engine light code is P0497 P145C. One of them is low purge flow, and then one of them is purge flow malfunction. Now for the purge valve, it's very easy to get to. It's right next to the throttle body right here, which is right here. This is the purge valve for the connector. You're just gonna press on this, press on the tab, pull back. There you go. And there's two holes connected to it. So the one on top right here, and then there's another one down here, right here. There's two bolts holding onto it. One right here, one down here. Two 10mm right here. And then after you take that out, you can remove the pressure valve like that. Now this is original. This is the part number. It says Denso right there. That's original. The part number is kind of hard to see. I think this is the top number, the part number. Now I'm gonna check the purge valve, show you how to check it, and put smoke through it, and then put power to it. So right now I have my smoke machine running, and you can see the flow, and then the ball's on top because the smoke is flowing. Now I'm gonna put smoke through to see if there's any smoke coming through. If it doesn't come through, the ball drop. You see, take it out, the ball comes up, and then I'm gonna test the purge valve, make sure. There you go, smoke doesn't go through. I'm gonna test the other end right here. You can see the ball drop. There you go, no smoke coming through. Now I'm gonna put power into the purge valve, let the smoke come through. I still have my smoke machine running. I'm gonna put power in. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand. So when I put power in, you're gonna see smoke coming out from this end. There you go. Put power in. You see the smoke coming through. There you go. So this is me testing the purge valve manually by putting smoke through to see if it leaks or not, putting power in to see the valve open and close. The valve is good, but then there's a check engine light codes for this. I'm not sure if it's intermittent. During the driving, I'm gonna replace it, even though it's good, but I'm still gonna replace it. Here's the part I bought from AutoZone. This is the new purge valve. Let me stop the smoke real quick. Check this out. I'm gonna stop the smoke. Here's my new purge valve. The original purge valve is gonna cost you around $150. I bought this one for $100, and this is the part number for the purge valve. Now, like I said, this purge valve is okay. Doesn't leak. Put power in, it still works, but it sounded kind of weak when it opened and closed the valve. But there's a code for that, so I'm still gonna replace it with the new one here. And then there's one more thing I'm checking for, is the canister vent valve. Now I'm gonna show you where this part is located. For me to test the whole Evap system, so I put my smoke machine in, and then I put smoke into here, so it goes down to the gas tank and the canister. That's how I check the whole system, and I check the vent valve too. For the new purge valve, I'm just gonna swap over the original bracket to the new one. For the purge valve, just a Phillips bolt right here, and then I'm gonna swap all the two hoses over to the new one and then put it back. Now I got the new purge valve in already. Reconnect the hose, and the other side of the hose right there, reconnect the connector. Make sure you guys check the wire right here, make sure it's not broken. Check the pin inside, make sure it's not damaged or corroded. Tighten down the tube bolt, that's it. And then now I'm gonna show you how to test the vent valve. I'm gonna put power in, and then you're gonna see the valve right here open and close. If it doesn't jump, doesn't mean it's bad. And then I'm gonna show you the new one too. This is the part number I got for the new one, and it comes with the cap right here. I'm gonna put power in, and you see if this valve right here jump open and close. Nothing at all. Even though I'm putting power in, there's nothing at all. And then I'm gonna show you the new one. The valve right here, it's gonna jump power in. You're gonna see the valve jump. You see it? See the valve jump right there? Right there. See that valve jump? There you go. That's mean the valve on here, it works properly, open and close. This one, when I put power in, is completely dead. The valve right here doesn't want to jump or close. See how it's bad? The new one, I put power in, it opens and closes, so this is good. This is the bad part. To get to the vent valve, you gotta take out this cover. So right now I'm underneath the car. This cover is gonna cover the canister right here, and then the vent valve sits inside of here like this, just like that. I use a channel lock to grab the vent valve like this, and then twist it left. So when you twist it left, it'll push the vent valve out, and this is the connector for the vent valve. So now let me try to twist it back in. There you go. You can see I twisted back in, it went back in, and then just reconnect the connector. Make sure you guys check the wire right here too. Make sure it's good, it's not ripped or broken. Make sure you check the pin. Once you got the vent valve sits all the way down to the lock position, make sure you guys put the cap back. If you don't put the cap back, the vent valve will come back out. So just reconnect the connector and then put back your cover. Right now I have the key on. I'm gonna show you the code again. So here you go. That's the check engine light code for the purge valve. For this Honda model, only two things that goes bad, either the canister purge valve right here or the vent valve. For this one, there's a code for this purge valve right here. That's the code for the purge valve. And one of the other part that was bad too was the vent valve when I checked it. So I'm gonna clear it, and that's it. So only two things that can go bad on the Evap system on the Honda: purge valve, vent valve. That's it. Turn the car back on. There you go, that's it. So just a canister purge valve and vent valve replaced on this car, guys. If you guys have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.